Hey, how's it going? This is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads, and today I'll be walking you through your digital marketing attack plan to show you how you can turn your website into a lead generation machine and really generate some more revenue for your business month over month. Now, to do that, we first have to understand how are people finding home healthcare businesses in your area. And if you're like me, chances are you go on Google, type in whatever service or industry you're looking for in the upper search bar, along with your city name. And after doing that, you're going to scroll down and pick from the first few results down below, or you'll pick from the first few results up in the Google Map pack. Now, it doesn't really matter which one you choose from, but it seems to be a pretty popular option to use Google to find services, as you'll notice there are about 30 searches a month for home care in Virginia Beach, and that number greatly magnifies when you start talking about different variations of this, such as in-home healthcare, home care near me, and really just a variety of different search terms that are different variations of this. Now, you'll start to see that traffic start to rise when we start talking about your competitor, but before we do all that, the goal of this video is to put your business at the forefront of those searches. That way we can guarantee that at least 30 people every single month see our business first before looking at our competitor. And for that to happen, we need to understand a few different things, such as content. So we're going to start off by talking about content because content is really king on Google. So let's take a look at your competitor's site, see what they're doing as far as content, and then we'll go back and compare that to your website and see how you stack up. So here we are on your competitor's Senior Corp, and if we go down, you'll notice that they have a few different paragraphs of content on their website. And the reason being that content is so important is that it really promotes a positive user experience by giving users something to engage with. And that's exactly what Google's looking for. So the more content you have, the better user experience you can promote. Now, if we take it one step further though, and we start diving deeper into their content and examining the words, you'll start to notice that they have tons of different industry-specific keywords. Now, keywords are the most used words or phrases on a web page, and based on those keywords, we're going to tell Google vital information about our business, such as what we do, where we operate from, and ultimately who we are as a company. So, very important that we have a very contentful website, but that we also have the keywords to really back that. So, let's see if your website follows that pattern. So here we are on your website, and if we scroll down here, I notice that you do have some content, but nothing really major, and a lot less than your competitors. So we want to change that because we always want to go bigger and better than our competition. Normally, I like to recommend about 750 to 1,000 words bare minimum on any given website because that is the bare minimum of what a contentful site is in the eyes of Google. So feel free to go above and beyond that if you'd like. But also, we're going to need those industry-specific keywords. So we're going to need words like home care, Virginia Beach, really any information that we want to tell Google about our business should be included in the content and keywords. So just to recap, 750 to 1,000 words of content, industry-specific keywords, and that's going to help us lay the foundation for our website. Now, we also need the external side of things, and that's going to help our website start to climb the rankings. And that external side of things is our backlinks and our citations. So let's go over to your competitor's site, take a look at their backlink structure, and see what they're doing so far. So once again, like I said, we're taking a look at your competitor here that has over 43,000 backlinks to their site, and ultimately they generate about 512 users every single month. Now, those 512 users are a direct result of the things that they're doing internally, such as content and keywords, as well as the things that they're doing externally with their 43,000 backlinks. Now, once again, like I said, we always need to go bigger and better, so we're going to want upwards of 50,000 backlinks to really go above and beyond our competitor, along with our content and keywords. And if we do all of that, there's no reason as to why these 512 users shouldn't start to leak over into our website as well. But let's take a look at what you're doing so far as backlink goes on your website. So here we are on your website, and right now you have 12 backlinks and you're generating about 3 organic users every single month. And now while you may be panicking, like I said, it's nothing to really panic about because we can always go in and start building. So really, like I said, we want those backlinks, we want the content, the keywords to tie it all together because our website is a 24/7 salesperson for us. It makes sales at 3 in the morning and it makes sales at 10 at night. So we need to give it those resources so that it can really close out those deals and really bring in users for us month over month. Now, there was one more thing that I had mentioned in this video, and that was citations. So let's go over to the Google Map Pack, talk about citations and how they really tie into everything here. So here we are in the Google Map Pack, and right here is the Google Map Pack, and we touched on it very briefly, but the Google Map Pack ultimately gives our business a second place that we could be seen online. And the Google Map Pack looks for a variety of different factors, one of the most important being citations. Now, citations are all the different places our business's name, address, and phone number are going to be listed online. Some popular citations are things like Facebook, Instagram, Yelp, Yellow Books, Yellow Pages, All those are different citations you can give for your business, and they all help with the Google Map Pack. Now, I took it upon myself to look through each one of these companies and see how many citations they had. At number one, we had 72 citations, followed by 64, and lastly, 37. So if number one is 72 citations, we're going to want 144 citations on top of our backlinks, on top of our content, and on top of our industry-specific keywords. And if we do all of that, we should start to see a very positive movement in the amount of traffic our website is generating, but more importantly, the amount of revenue it's bringing back for us month over month. That's all I really have for you in this video, but I will leave you with one last question, and that question is, what could an extra 30 customers a month do for your business? Once again, my name is Justin Gilman with Quantum Leads. I hope this video is very educational, and thank you for watching.